Hi folks, it's Mark with Artists and Restoration, and we're wrapping up a little job we've been working on for 2 months. This is what we call the Grantsburg project. You can throw them on my truck if you want. I started out with this log cabin here that was not quite in this position, but it had to get moved aside so we could pour new foundation, and then the house mover brought it through here and set it down where you see it, and that was the start of the project. And then we got these foam insulated panels here to create this addition. This is a mechanical room. This is a master bathroom. This is the master bedroom. There's a guest bedroom right here. And this is the kitchen area. Over here, we've got a dining room. And we've got a back porch. Yeah, this had a second floor in it. You can see the old floor joist there where we cut the log floor joist off and replaced it. And then this is this will be a screen porch back here. These are new rafters that are probably standing in a forest someplace a month ago. We had those cut, and then we put tongue and grooved southern yellow pine decking on top of it. The siding was cut from logs that I obtained in Meadowland, where I took down a cabin about 6 years ago, and they were a really good match with the logs that are in the inside in the great room. So last year we cut them all in half, treated them, pressure washed them, and got them ready to go. These porch posts here are actually reclaimed timbers that were glue lamb timbers, like some of the other ones that you see inside. There's some glue lambs that actually support the addition panels, so there was no additional weight placed on the original log walls. The glue lambs around the outside bear the weight of the addition. So these are old. All these doorways here were actually old window openings, which we converted into door openings. That was the original front door right here. So, how you doing, Joe? You gonna get some final pictures too?
I got a bunch of them in here this morning.
Yeah. The rafters out here were actually 3x12s that we cut up on our mill and made them into the framing members that you see here. That one there's another reclaimed glue lamb timber that I provided from my inventory. Well, anyway, folks, we have a little bit of chinking left to do on the inside, and we'll be back in a couple weeks to do that. Thanks for watching.